Hey guys, have you ever wondered what it takes to truly transform your life? Today I'm going to share with you 7 powerful habits that can make you a better person. So, grab a pen and paper, because you'll want to take some notes. Let's get into it. Habit number 1. Successful people often start their day with purpose and intention. Whether it's meditating, journaling, or a quick workout, find what energizes you in the morning. Consistency is key here, so make it a daily ritual. Moving on to habit number 2. Reading not only expands your knowledge but also improves your focus and concentration. Aim to read at least 1 book a month. It can be self-help, fiction, or even biographies. Just keep feeding your mind with fresh ideas. Habit number 3. Physical activity is crucial for both your body and mind. It releases endorphins, reduces stress, and boosts your overall mood. Find a form of exercise that you enjoy, whether it's running, yoga, or hitting the gym. The important thing is to stay active regularly. Next up, habit number 4. In our busy lives, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle and bustle. Practicing mindfulness through meditation or simple deep breathing exercises can help you stay grounded and present. It's all about taking a moment to pause and reconnect with yourself. Habit number 5. Successful people set clear, achievable goals. Break them down into smaller, manageable tasks. Write them down and review them regularly. This keeps you focused and motivated, and you'll be amazed at what you can accomplish. Now let's talk about habit number 6. Practicing gratitude can transform your outlook on life. Take a few moments each day to reflect on what you're thankful for. This simple habit can shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance and improve your overall happiness. Finally, habit number 7. Never stop learning and growing. Take up new hobbies, enroll in online courses, or simply engage in discussions with people who challenge your thinking. The more you learn, the more you grow, and the better person you become. So, there you have it. 7 habits that can truly transform your life. Start small, be consistent, and watch yourself become the best version of you. If you found this video helpful, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe for more self-improvement tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.